Hello everyone, my name is Daniela, my friend Liu and Paul, and today we're going to present our research titled Brand Vulnerability in Digital Age: Effect of Negative Publicity on Purchase Intention. This study is about how bad news about a brand on social media can affect whether people still want to buy from that brand or not. We focus on Gen Z in Indonesia because they use social media a lot and are very active online. We also look at two things: brand advocacy, which means people still support the brand even after something bad happens, and brand betrayal, which means people feel hurt or disappointed by the brand. We used a questionnaire and got answers from 158 people. The result shows that negative publicity really affect buying decisions, and both brand advocacy and brand betrayal make a difference. So, brand needs to be careful, act actively, and respond fast if something goes wrong so they don't lose trust. Next, these days, social media like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter can quickly change how people see a brand. A small problem can suddenly become big news online. This is especially true for Gen Z, who often post and share their opinions about brands. If something bad happened, like a hygiene issue or a bad review, it can go viral and affect the brand's image. For example, there was a case in Indonesia where a local food brand got a lot of hate online after a hygiene problem. Some people still supported the brand, but others felt very upset and stopped buying. This made me want to learn more about how negative publicity affects people's decision to buy and if support or betrayal has an effect. Next, our study focuses on two important things: brand advocacy, which is when people still support or defend the brand, and brand betrayal, which is when people feel the brand has let them down. We wanted to see if these two things help explain the relationship between negative publicity and someone's decision to still buy the product or not. Next. We used a quantitative approach and shared an online questionnaire. We collect data from 158 Gen Z respondents in Indonesia, all aged between 18 to 27. These are active social media users who often shop online and follow brand trends. We analyze the data using a method called SAMPLS.
All right, so furthermore, for the research framework, this study proposed four variables, which include negative publicity, brand advocacy, brand betrayal, and purchase intention, with four hypotheses, which demonstrate clearly on the slide. Next, for the result, based on the calculation using the Smart PLS software, in summary, negative publication indirectly reduced customer purchase intention with the brand advocacy and brand betrayal as a mediator. The statistic exhibit that the coefficient value of negative publicity to brand advocacy and brand betrayal to purchase intention are negative, meaning that the more negative content opened publicly, it significantly reduced brand advocacy between customer regards the products. While also, with the many customer got betrayed from the brand, it actually significantly impact for the intention of the customer to purchase the product from the brand. So it conclude our finding when the negative news and rumors circulated around the brand, it shows the importance of reducing and avoiding negative publicity, especially in the digital era where customers can freely post their opinion and reviews online. Therefore, marketing strategies are need to be adapted to the current digital landscape and social media era to ensure risks are managed appropriately. Ultimately, with a clear and transparent communication, particularly by establishing a proper content, it will increase the relationship between customer and also mitigate the adverse effect of the negative publicity. That is all for our findings. Thank you for your attention.